Good morning everyone, my name is Aradhya Jain. I am from class 11th F. Today, me and my group is here to discuss a few points regarding the relationship between USA and India. You all must know that the historical relationship between both the countries, that is India and USA, can be traced from the year 1492. This was when Christopher Columbus discovered America. It was during his course to find a route to India. However, the official relationship started between the countries after India got its independence.
So now, let me tell you about trade relations between America and India. American imports from India amounted $46.6 billion or 2% of total exports and 15.6% of India's total import. The major commodities exported from India to USA are gems, some precious metals and coins about $9.8 billion, oils of about $2.8 billion and machinery of about $2.5 million. The major commodities exported to India are gems, some precious metals and coins about $3.4 billion, oils about $1.3 billion and machinery about $3 billion. On the other side, American exports to India amounted $20.5 billion or 5.2% of India's total imports in 2015.
In recent times, US has been vocal in its support on various fronts, and President Trump has gone overboard in helping India acquire military hardware, drones, aircrafts, etc. Now, when US was facing serious crisis with far higher people affected, it asked India for hydrochloroquine. This deal further made the relationships better.
My name is Moksha Gupta. Today I am going to tell you about the economic relationships between USA and India. Let's start with it. The United States is one of India's largest direct investors from 1991 to 2004. The stock inflow and outflow has increased with USA from $11 million to $344.4 million, and now the totaling is $4.13 billion. This is not a short rate increase but a compounded increase of 57.5% annually. On August 3, 2018, India became the third Asian nation to be granted with the Strategic Trade Authorization First STA1, a status that was generally given by the United States of America. STA1 allows the export of high technology from USA to India. Thank you.
In late September 2001, President Bush lifted sanctions which were imposed under the terms of 1994 Nuclear Proliferation Prevention Act following India's nuclear test in 1998. A succession of non-proliferation of dialogues bridged between the gaps in understanding of many countries.
Myself Asta, India-US relations have had a turbulent past. The bilateral relationship has a history of being influenced by US policies towards India's neighbors and India's policies of non-alignment and its relationship with erstwhile Soviet Union. Add to this the politics of Cold War, and it becomes easy to understand why the relations between two democracies are oftenly based on mutual distrust and misperception.
Myself, Chirag Pankaj. As intolerance and division erode these both societies, I fear that the leaders may reinforce their worst instincts. As I continue to strongly believe in each other's both strategic investment that have been made by both the countries in these past 2 decades. For India, we must keep in mind that this strategic bet was made in first place. That is because of the common democratic values and the confidence in each other's reliability. Thank you.